Today, I'm going to show you a complete beginner's guide of Sora. I'm going to show you some of my favorite tips, tricks, and hidden features allowing you to leave this video as a Sora expert. Let's get started. For now, to join Sora, you'll need an iPhone and you'll open up your app store and search for the word Sora, and then it pops up the Sora by OpenAI app. You can tap on this and you may be wondering, what's Sora? Well, Sora is an incredible tool that allows you to generate videos using artificial intelligence. It's by the makers of ChatGPT and OpenAI, and all you have to do is just press the blue Get button, authorize with Face ID or Touch ID, and then you'll be able to download this app. Now, you'll also need an invite code in order to get set up with Sora, so you may need to reach out to someone who already has an account and can get you set up unless it's publicly available, but at this time you will need an invite code in order to join. So you can create unprecedented videos with realism, you can turn ideas into videos with just a prompt, you can cast yourself and your friends in videos, and then you can put your own twist on videos with the remix. So you can connect with friends and collaborators and have fun and use AI to generate videos with Sora. So we'll go ahead and press this blue open button. We'll press it one time, it'll open up the app, and then it wants us to continue. So you can either continue with ChatGPT or you'll need to use a different account. So if you already have a ChatGPT account, it will recognize it. If you do not have a ChatGPT account, then you can sign in, continue with ChatGPT, make an account. So I'll go ahead and hit continue. Alright, so I've successfully logged into my ChatGPT account, and then it wants to know when my birthday is, so I'm going to do this off camera just to protect my privacy here. So I'll go ahead and select my birthday and my birth year, and then after I have that selected, I'm able to hit the continue button, and to know that this information is not going to be publicly shared, it's only to collect during the registration process. And right now, Sora is invite only, so you'll need an invite code. You can also select notify me when access opens to the general public. So if you don't have an invite code, select notify me when access opens. If you do have an invite code, go ahead and find that invite code, copy it over, and then paste it in, and this will allow you to get access to Sora. So I'm going to go ahead and paste in my invite code. So I'll hold down here, paste, and I have been able to successfully create an account here. So now it wants us to create a username. So usernames will need to be from 3 to 30 characters. So I'll go ahead and work on creating my username here. And I'll go ahead and type in my username and hit continue. All right, so username is created here. Next up, it wants us to update our profile photo, so I can add a display name. So I'm going to do this off camera. I'm going to tap on it, and then I'm going to say upload a photo, and we'll do this from my collections here on my phone. And then we'll go to my profile photos, and we'll select my profile photo. And then I'm going to zoom in here, or zoom out, and save my profile photo. Add a display name, so I'll go ahead and type in my display name. And that's how I will appear to others. So super cool. I'll go ahead and hit the continue button. And now next up is the content advisory. So you're about to enter a creative world of AI generated content. Some videos may depict people you recognize, but the actions and events shown are not real. So it's incredibly important to know while you're on Sora, or if you're watching a Sora video, to know that it's not a real representation of, if you're on Instagram or Twitter or another platform where what you see is what really happened. Well, in Sora, everything is AI generated. So someone can just tell a prompt to the computer and it will generate exactly what they said, even if it never happened in real life. So it's really important to know that what you see is not always real on the internet. So you can always share videos to feed, and others can remix them, comment, and we may train on your content and use ChatGPT memories for recommendations. So next up, you just press the start watching button and you are good to go. And it wants to know if we can send notifications, so I'll hit allow for notifications, and then I'll hit start watching.
They've asked you to leave. Let's step outside.
For what? I paid. It's all you can eat. You cleared out 3 trays, sir. We don't have anything left for
You
the
heard
other
her. Let's
guests.
get moving.
It's not illegal to eat, man. I'm hungry.
No, but they can refuse service. Come on. They've asked you to leave. Let's step outside.
All right, and there we go. So it's got this For You tab here, and I can just scroll through. It's very similar to, I'm gonna not play any copyrighted music, but it's very similar to TikTok where you just scroll through.
It's eating the whole thing like that. Hey, is that a goat? What the? Yeah, it's a goat. In the lot. Just going crazy on the pizza, man. Yo, chill, dude. Okay. Okay, I don't even know. 2012 be wild, bro.
So here we have a goat eating a pizza, which would never happen in real life in a parking lot, but we've got this AI generated.
Imagine launching a product and having thousands of personalized video ads generated instantly.
With AI video ads, we can tailor the message to every audience segment without reshooting a thing.
Exactly. The model test. Imagine launching a product and
What's up, friends? It's me, hanging with the squad. Last Supper vibe. Say hi, everybody.
Hey!
peace. Hello.
And here's Judas.
So pretty crazy that we can watch.
They've asked you to-
I'm gonna hit the search button so it doesn't play a video while I'm talking. But you got this home tab here where you can just scroll down and watch people and watch random AI generated videos that were created. And you can
Sora, pay for it.
you can always tap on one. You can heart them. You can comment on them. You can remix them. You can share them. You can tap on this person's profile and see all the likes that they've done, the remixes, and the followers. And then you can tap to the search box. We can come over here. We can type in tech, and we can see all the users here that are signed up for technology or tech in their name. You can come over here. You can see the activity and who follows you, and then you can come over here and you can go to your profile. You can see posts, cameos, liked. You can share your profile, you can create a cameo. I've got 4 invites, so if you want to invite, go ahead and comment below and I can send you one. You've got your account and all the different settings here. So you may be wondering, how do we make some AI generated content? Well, all we have to do is just press this plus button right here. And we've got all these options of people that can cameo with us. So we can pick the founder, Sam Altman, and we can say hello to AppFind 600K subs, and then we press the send button and off it starts to generate this AI draft. So we've tagged Sam in it, and he's going to be in this video here, and you can see the progress bar, and it starts to load and it circles there in the top right as it generates content for us to say in this AI video. So while that's generating in the background, we can come back and watch some more.
For control of the board, what is the hottest AI tool on the market right now?
Sora.
Show me Sora! Number one answer!
I have a dream.
All right, so super cool. If you're looking to launch a business or have one already, check out High Level. You can build a funnel, make a website, and even create your own AI employee. You can sign up using the link below to get a special double trial for 30 days instead of the traditional 14. Make sure you use the link below to get started today. After you get your high-level account set up and log in, this is what it will look like. You've got all of your features on the left side in the sidebar to build your business and help other people build businesses. And first off, I'm going to show you how you can create a site and create a landing page or a funnel inside of High Level. All you have to do is just click the site section in the left side, and then here you've got some pre-examples here: the clean opt-in, the default video conversion funnel, simple opt-in page, and video conversion funnel 2025 update. Now you can press this new funnel button in the top right one time, and now you can either start from blank, you can start from AI, or you can start from templates. In this example, we're going to start from the over 1,000 templates that are already built into High Level and press this continue button. And then from here, all of the templates come up. You can select your category on the right side or left side here, or your type. We can go down, say we're doing an event. We can select the event template section, and then we can select an event. Let's say like we want to have a freelance income webinar. We can select on that one right here. It tells you a little bit about this template, the date, and all the information for it. And then to move forward with it, all you have to do is just press this continue button right here in the top right. And then it adds that template, the color styles, the typography, and loads all the images right here into our site's funnels page. And it makes it really easy to get started and proceed with editing it. So it loads up the editor here, it loads everything that we need, and then we can start to redesign this web page and make it perfect for our business. So we can come in here, we can add the specific date of when it starts. We can say how to launch your webinar instantly and make it shine with AppFind, and that kind of rhymes. And we can come over here, we can add in our images. that we want to, our names and our business titles. And you can see here the template is pretty much set up where we can come in here and modify each piece that we need to as needed to make it look great. And then once we're all done, we can hit this publish button in the top right and we can publish it. We can select a domain. So we'll either have to purchase a domain or connect a domain. And in order to connect a domain, you'll need to go into your settings here and you'll need to be able to log into your backend for whoever registered your domain and input it in and link the domain or subdomains together. So that's how you can create a site really quick inside of Go High Level. It makes it really easy. We can click on sites in the sidebar. We can check out what the clean opt-in looks like, and then we can look at what this looks like by pressing the button right here. So clean opt-in is very simple. You collect their name, email address, and phone number and provide their major benefits and put their image down below and you're good to go. So super cool. Now what makes High Level really nice is you can track your opportunities as people submit forms. You can track those leads right here within the software. So as you can see, the High Level software is a very comprehensive client customer relationship manager where you can come in here with AI agents, websites, you can do automations, you can do memberships. There's so many things that you can do with High Level, and we're just barely touching the surface here. And you can get started today using the link in the description to start your extra free trial with 30 days and get started with checking out High Level so you can build a funnel, make a website, and even make your own AI employee. It's still processing here in the background for all the other videos, but you can come in here and it's really simple to get started. We've got this, so it may take a couple of minutes here as it progresses and we create our first Sora video. But we can always tap on it and we can see that it's generating. We can come over here, we can add our own cameo.
Video! Dance battle! Or scale Everest while eating beef Wellington.
So we can start it in a video ourselves. You can let Sora users add your likeness and voice to videos and you're always in control. So we can press this white get started button and now it would like to access the camera and our microphone. So we'll hit allow for that. And it says start recording and say the numbers on screen. So for best results, center your face in anything in your background. Anything in your background will appear in cameos. Anything in your background will appear in cameos. Okay. So I'll hit the start recording. I'll reposition myself here. 31, 51, 33. Turn your head right. Move your head down. 31, 51, 33. Turn your head right. Move your head down. 31, 51, 33. Turn your head right. Move your head down. 31, 51, 33. Turn your head right. So it's processing here. It took up to a minute to process. Great, we're all done. We'll go ahead and press the continue button to move forward. And then it will proceed and allow us with our next steps. So who can use this? You can say only me, people I approve, or mutuals, or everyone. So right now I'll keep it set for mutuals, so anyone that I join that are friends, and mutuals will be able to use and make videos of me with my likeness and image. How do I want to appear? I can set my pronouns. Go ahead and select pronouns, cameo preferences, guide how Sora represents you. So I can come here, type in some settings here. I can say professional. And just keep it professional. And then cameo tips, for that will be an external link to link out. And then I'll go ahead and hit done. So now I have a cameo with myself. So I can come over here and see all the different cameos and people that I can talk to. I can say I, Justine, and me. And then say iPhone 17 unboxing. Orange. then I can ship that off. So you can see here, it is still generating our first one, but I've generated multiple options right here. So in a moment, we'll be able to experience what it will look like to have our first AI generated video. Now you'll notice that this doesn't happen instantly. Like it doesn't just, type in a thing. Like it actually requires a lot of computing processing power to go in the background, to take our images, to take other people's images, and then generate a completely unique scene from that. So it's super cool. And in a moment, we'll be able to see these posts and these cameos and what that looks like over time. But this is just a quick video to teach you how to get set up for the very first time right here on Sora, and what it looks like to press this plus button, type in and describe a completely AI video that you want generated, and then tap who you want to appear in it based off your friend list or who's invited, and then to be able to share it out with the rest of the world. So super cool that we can go ahead and do that. We can take a look at this. Looks like a door video, and then we've got a TEDx video. So you've got all kinds of videos here you can search for and find AI generated videos, and then you can come over here, you can see your activity, and it looks like we've got one draft almost complete here. And look, we've got Sam Altman, the founder of Sora and ChatGPT.
And I just want to say a big hello to all of AppFind's 600,000 subscribers. That's an amazing milestone. Thanks for being part of the community and for staying curious about AI. Keep exploring, and I'll see you around. And I just want to say a big hello to all of AppFind's 600,000 subscribers.
And there we go. We used AI to generate a video of Sam Altman congratulating everyone and saying hello to being a part of AppFind. So I can post this video, I can send it. I'll go ahead and send this here to a friend, and then we'll just press send. And it's super
Sora,
cool.
pay for it.
For control.
We can see that our settings are loading here. So we still got the iPhone 17 one loading, but just like that, I generated an AI video of Sam Altman, which he didn't actually say any of this. The computer just put everything together, and it used the text that I typed after I pressed this plus button, and then it made that video from scratch using artificial intelligence on all these supercomputers on their servers and their backend. And you can tap up here to create a new video. I'm going to exit out there. So it's still generating the video for the iPhone 17 with iJustine and myself in it, but it's super exciting that you can now use artificial intelligence to generate videos, text to prompt. You just type in what you want, you describe what you want in the video, you tap who you want to be in that video, and then it generates it, and you can share it with your social media, and you can share it on Sora itself so other people can watch it.
I want to address.
You can share it on Sora so other people can watch it, and then map it over, download it, send it to your TikTok, Instagram, wherever you want. But keep in mind, when you do share these, you want to make sure that you're following and your audience knows that it is an AI generated video and what you typed did not actually happen. So super cool that you can come in here and you can use AI to process and make brand new videos. And next up, I'm going to show you what I'm going to let this process in the background. I'm going to let you see what the iPhone 17 with iJustine looks like. So we'll be right back. Today we're going to be checking out Surfshark for our lovely promotion where you can get an incredible VPN for about $2.19 for their 24-month promotion. I'm going to go ahead and download this onto our phone and show you the setup process, but you can use the QR code on screen to take advantage of this deal and get access to Surfshark's virtual private network. You can secure your online browsing. It uses protection and hides your IP address, and you can get all kinds of great features to make sure that you stay secure when you're using the internet. And you can go to appfind.org/Surfshark or use the QR code on screen to take advantage of the deal that we have, the promotion that allows you to get Surfshark for 24 months at just $2.19. So let's go ahead. This app is almost downloaded, and I'll show you what it's like to set it up on your brand new iPhone. So this is definitely one of the first things I do when I get my new iPhone. I log in, I set up my virtual private network so I stay secure, whether I'm browsing at home on Wi-Fi or whether I'm on the go on someone else's Wi-Fi network or on 5G. When I have Surfshark enabled, I'm safe and it's fast and it's reliable. So I'm going to go ahead and open this application up. After you've clicked the link in the chat or in the description below, the Surfshark, the appfind.org/Surfshark, or you scan the QR code on the screen and sign up, you'll be able to download the app onto your phone, and then here it's got two options: to create an account or log in. You would have most likely already created an account when you've redeemed the promotion on the QR code or on the link in the description, so you would hit the login button and it asks you to continue with Google, Apple, or your username and password that you set up originally. After you have successfully logged in, this is what it will look like on your screen on your brand new iPhone 16. Now you may be wondering, what do you do? So what it's recommending is you to connect to a virtual private network in a certain location. Now your IP address can be from almost anywhere around the world that they have service. You can scroll down and it looks like I tapped on one. I tapped on one, and it instantly opens it up and tells me more about that. So I highly recommend picking something that's local or nearby, because what will happen is when you're using your virtual private network, websites will kind of detect your location, and if it detects that you're very far away from where you actually live, sometimes it may not let you log in, or it may block you because you wouldn't want someone logging into your account that's not actually you. So sometimes it can be very challenging to get around certain things like that. One of my favorite features is the multi-hop. This way you can have secure connections from multiple directions, and I can scroll down, I can select something like we've got United States and Canada, United States, New York, and Canada, Toronto. We can tap on the multi-hop, and it will need permission in order for us to get started with the VPN. So let's go ahead and authorize the Surfshark and get permission. We'll hit the continue button at the very bottom, and now it's going to ask us, Surfshark would like to add VPN configurations. Since we do want our VPN to be connected, we'll press this allow button right here, and then it will take us to our settings where we'll have to enter our passcode. So I'm going to enter our passcode off camera here just to stay secure, and then it will take us back to the app and it will start connecting. And I'm going to hide my IP address at the top right here, but this is what it looks like. In the top right, your IP address pops up, and then it says connected and safe, and then it shows you your connection time. And then at the very bottom, you can see in the bottom left here, you've got the country that you're connected with, US, New York, and then you've got it via Toronto, Canada. So then you can press disconnect at the very bottom. You can pause it on the right. I'm going to swipe down so my IP address goes away. So you can always disconnect at the very bottom. You can pause it right here, or you can scroll and search for another location that you want. So you've got multiple locations here at the top, and you can select whichever location that you want to connect through to keep your data secure. So this is Surfshark, and it's our lovely promotion that we've got going on right now. You can scan the code on the screen, or you can go to appfind.org/Surfshark to take advantage of our incredible offer. And I hope you enjoyed the virtual private network and it keeps you secure. This is one of my favorite products that I use every single day to stay secure on the internet. Alright, so the progress bar for this iPhone 17 video is almost complete here. It's generating the content in our drafts, so we'll be able to see that momentarily. And then from here, there's three options. You can see things that you've liked, your cameos, and your posts. And here we go. It's all done.
Now for something a little more exciting. I have the iPhone 17 in the new orange color right here.
Let's see it.
Lifting the
That
lid.
color's already peeking through.
And here it is. Look at this finish.
It's like a matte pumpkin.
Right, but still cloud. Now for something a little more exciting. I have the iPhone 17 in the new orange color right here.
Let's see it. So I can hit post video, and just like that, it posts on my profile here, which is pretty fun.
Now for something a little
so
more exciting. I have the
I can comment on it, and I've got iJustine right here. I can describe changes and edit it, and I can send it off. So super cool. So I'll go ahead and share that, and we can send that off just like that. So super cool that I've been able to use my first cameo here with someone in it, and then publish it and right to my profile. So
It's nice to slow everything down.
this is Sora, an incredible brand new way to generate videos with just a single prompt. You describe the video in text, and you give it a few minutes, and it generates it, and you can come over here and share that. I'm going to go ahead and download this to my profile.
something a little more exciting. I
Just press the three dots, and it downloads it and saves it in my camera library. I can also copy the link and share it that way.
I'm unboxing the new iPhone 17 in this lavender color. Let's open it up. Classic minimal packaging, and right on top is the phone. Here it is, super light with the two cameras and those tiny bezels peeling off. I'm unboxing the new iPhone 17 and
All right, super cool. And if you're not subscribed to our newsletter, go to appfind.ai to subscribe to our newsletter where you can get the latest complete beginner guides every week in your inbox. You'll get tutorials straight from including these videos that we make on future technology guides and written tutorials on how to access these consumer electronic products and apps, and it's really neat. So go to appfind.ai to sign up today, and you can use the AppFind Complete Beginner's Guide strategies in your email inbox to get the latest technology, apps, software, and AI tools and products. So this has been a complete beginner's guide of the brand new Sora app by OpenAI, where you can cameo anyone or upload yourself and use text to describe a prompt and an image of a scene that should be created over video, and then the AI magic in the background will do exactly that. You press this plus button, you describe the video, and then you select who you want to be in it, and then it will go out and use AI in the background to generate that video just based off your prompt, even if it never happened. So pretty cool. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to let us know what your favorite feature of Sora is in the comments below. And if you're not subscribed, smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, and we can't wait to make the next technology video for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.